So this will be a very good test for it. Let's go see how it does. It's that season, right? You got your snow makers, they're all set. You want to make all the snow for the holiday events. This is it. Long-lasting snow fluid. Only one thing to do. I'm going to stop talking. Let's take it out, test it out, and make sure it works. Southern Florida here, it's actually a little windy. Probably not the best conditions for making snow. So this will be a very good test for it. Let's go see how it does. So I made a video area here, like I did the time lapse way too fast. So it looks like the long lasting snow is just evaporating really quickly, but it is not. This is a time lapse video. So it did last a completely reasonable amount of time for Southern Florida, windy day, warm out. It was absolutely appropriate for a long lasting snow. If you're looking for a long lasting snow, this snow fluid was great. Hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.